this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to knit or crochet with eyelash yarn, which I have purchased from Iceyarn a couple of months ago. Let me just take this off. Sorry about that. I bought these a couple of months ago for my birthday, which was November 9th. And I did a video on how to swift and how to put it on a swift and how to ball wind it. That's what I did, and it's been sitting there since January 2nd. So it's been a month. I said enough is enough. It's been sitting in front of me all these weeks. I am going to start my jumper. Okay, so this is the yarn. It's 100 gram each, and it says to use 6mm. Oops, sorry. Keep on touching the camera. It's saying to use a 6mm knitting needle or crochet hook, and it says it's a 5 weight. My goodness, it's so tiny. Can't believe it. Let me just look at through this. It's a 5 weight. Oh, we're getting old. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you. I'll just grab one of the balls here. Cakes here. I know what it's called, a ball. It's not my fault, is it? Like when I put a for sale, I tried to sell my leftover yarn from my stash, and I put down 4 balls for sale. People make fun of that. It's not nice. Look what's happening here. It's odd. Because I'm taping, right? My goodness. Okay, let me figure this out. I'll just grab another ball. Okay, so, oh my goodness, what is going on? Whichever I grabbed. Iceyarn, if you're watching this, it's not my fault. Okay, so I'm just going to chain. And just to let you know, I bought these yarn from my own money. Iceyarn has not sent me these yarn. So this is from my own money that I bought it for myself. Okay, so this is how you chain. I know it's really hard to see when you're crocheting, so you just use your finger, and then what you do is you go to the third. You can see it, it's not that bad. And then you go to the next chain. Yeah, you have to go in between. Just use your finger. And then you go to the next one. Just be sure that you're in between. You're not crocheting on the eyelashes. And this is how you crochet. I know it's really hard to see, but use your fingers. And then you just go in the chain. And this is how you crochet. It's really fun, and it slides nicely. So the crochet hooks is a 6mm, which the label recommends. Okay, so I'm going to chain 2 to go up, and then I'm just going to go on top of each just like this on each double crochet. And this is how you crochet. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to knit. You go on and go on and on and on. It's very nice and soft. Okay, so for the knitting, I'm going to grab my 6mm knitting needles, which is hanging here. Okay, here it is. So, just gonna pull up the yarn, and this is only for demonstration purposes only. For the jumper, it's just regular my top down that I knit. So because of this is eyelash, I'm not gonna cast on too many stitches because it's already big, and I'm going to be knitting with big needles, so I don't need to get cast on so many stitches. So I'm just going to use my judgment, just a top down. There's 4 increases where the shoulders are, and then I just cast on like this, and then I start knitting. So you go between and you just grab it. I had my lovely subscribers message me through YouTube and through my Facebook. Even Instagram, they're messaging me, but I don't. Oh my goodness, I get messages from everywhere, so I try to focus on one place. If you want to message me through YouTube, you can do that under the comments, and I can reply to you ASAP. But if you message me through my fan Facebook, which I don't go that often, it's like, oh my goodness, I miss it. And Instagram, I don't check I don't use cell phones, so I never check it. So that's why I ask not to message me through Instagram. I do get messages. If I see it, I do reply. But I prefer YouTube. Okay. And I had a couple of people message me through Ravelry. Oh my goodness, I never go there. That was so funny. Okay, so yeah, I'm asking, please message me through YouTube. So people ask me, how do you knit? How do you crochet with eyelashes? And this is how you do it. So you just go, see on the needle you can see the stitches, so you just go between, just use your judgment, and then it needs to be between, like don't go, you know, well you can't knit through these eyelashes, it's impossible. I used to work with eyelashes a lot. I used to make rugs. I gifted them, I sold lots. But this one is super soft, so I want to make something for myself. See? And this is how you knit. You just knit like this, just regular knitting. And the crochet is the same, just with the crochet you need to feel a lot. But with the knitting, you can see that the stitches here, so you go between and you just start knitting. So I just wanted to show you how you can knit or how you can crochet with eyelashes. And these eyelashes are pretty long because they're special. Okay, here's a knit version. And here's a crochet version. There's no difference if you look at them. They both look the same. You can't see the stitches. I think it's pretty good. You can make pom-poms out of this yarn. You can make anything you want. You can make it on the edges. So I hope you like this short tutorial. I just wanted to share how you knit with eyelashes or crochet with eyelashes. It's very nice. It's elegant. You can make bags out of eyelash yarn. Anything you want. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Happy knitting, happy crocheting.